NCNA stock analysis and price predictions from one day. Is NuCana PLC stock a buy? We're breaking all of it down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. For me, currently, this is a bearish market, and I'm not even just saying this with ill intentions or anything. It's just the truth. Having done well over 44,000 videos, I'm seeing what's working for me and what's not. Now, especially with NCNA. If I zoom in a bit, you can see how my prediction looked like. And this delivered. Let me show you the proof.
NCNA
was this
stock
the time that I made this prediction? Let's check. Oh, it was before.
NCNA
Right. This
stock
is the video, right? So this was made 6 days ago, 28th of July. I wanted to see a double break so I can take it further lower. It was sitting at 0.0577. And that's how my prediction looked like, right? This is the before on this 15-minute chart. And then this is the after. You know, beautiful delivery. With this in mind, I mean, I just generally, I'm not going to do anything because my still opinion is that I want to see these lows get taken out as well at 0.03115. So that's where we're sitting at with NCNA as well. So it's not financial advice. I do got a lot of receipts with about 15 results here as well. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.